Introduction to Monitoring Systems. Introduction to the monitoring system. In this section, we introduce the monitoring system. First, let's talk about Data Center Infrastructure Management, DCIM systems. It can manage the power equipment and environment equipment. Nowadays, with the rapid development of cloud computing, big data, and the Internet of Things, data centers are becoming increasingly large. Meanwhile, the number of cabinets and servers are also increasing, and data centers and monitoring systems are becoming more complex. Having many information systems increases the difficulty of daily operation and maintenance. Therefore, implementing intelligent and easy operation and maintenance in data centers is increasingly important. DCIM is an important tool to improve the efficiency of data center equipment management, helping enterprises maximize profits. Therefore, it is widely used in data centers. By managing data center equipment, DCIM helps data center managers accurately understand key parameters such as energy, space, and refrigeration, and help managers quickly allocate resources for matching. On the right, we see some power equipment and environment equipment. DCIM can manage these devices, making data center management easy and efficient. For example, if there is no DCIM to monitor the UPS, engineers would need to go on site to record the UPS data. This would be inconvenient, time-consuming, and costly. Environment devices also need DCIM. Here, we can see the monitoring system can be applied to many scenarios, such as equipment room, warehousing, unattended transformer substation, wireless base station, and so on. It is widely applied in the various application scenarios. In these scenarios, we will focus on the monitoring system of a data center room. Personnel, like engineers, can judge whether the devices are abnormal by the various parameters of monitoring system in the data center room. Therefore, the monitoring system for a data center room is particularly important. Next, we introduce the architecture of the monitoring system. In the middle, we can see the monitoring system, which has different interfaces. For example, some devices can access the monitoring system through the southbound interface. These include an air conditioner, UPS, PDF, PDU, video, access control, and smoke sensor. These belong to data center infrastructure. Different devices can access the monitoring system through different protocols, such as SNMP, Modbus, and Telecom Protocol. Through the northbound interface, the monitoring system can connect to the Superior Network Management System. The monitoring system can also integrate with third-party systems. For example, the building system, fire suppression system, security system, and so on. At the bottom of the picture, the main functions of the monitoring system are introduced. First, we see view management, which can give users a 2D or 3D view. The interface is user-friendly, intuitively displaying the state of devices. Next, we see alarm management, which is very important for data centers. By checking alarms, users can locate and troubleshoot quickly. Next, report management, by which users can export reports regularly. Then, users also can use the work order management function to send work orders to engineers. Besides, Users can monitor data center energy efficiency in the monitoring system. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.